ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Ocean Singh. I want to keep my introduction short and simple, that I am a Sikh. Before a few years, there was a day I was, you can say, abusive person, a very spoiled teenager. My life is already lost, almost lost. No vision, no goal, nothing. At the age of 20, I'm second and black belt. I had 12 or 13 gold medals, something. And I didn't have any vision or something. And my parents were pressuring me to do science stream, and I was interested in commerce. So this was almost all teenagers' problem. So I left home and I went to Delhi for 20-25 days because that much saving I have. So my coach over there, taekwondo coach, he arranged me one room in Gurudwara, Rohini West. So I stayed over there. There was a sound I heard one day, a beautiful, beautiful sound. Before that day, there was nothing in my life, and after that day, the only thing in my life is that what that sound is. My wish, the only wish I have, that mantra, that sound, I want to sing, I want to cry, I want to laugh, I want to feel it till my last breath, till my last heartbeat. That is Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. Vaheguru. Whenever I'm chanting this mantra, sometime I laugh, sometime I cry, sometime I like sitting blank. This is what my life is. I don't know how I connected to this religion, this path, one by one, that Kadi will connect it to this. And I came back to Ahmedabad. I follow some Sikh person who are wearing cap. So I didn't know that what is Sikhism is all about and nothing. So I copied them. I brought one kada and start wearing a cap because I didn't have any knowledge. In Gujarati family, there was nothing. I'm just following one sound, that mantra, and internal peace I feel. So I'm followed. Again, the pressure came. I left home again. I went to Mumbai. I got a job in Mumbai, and parents were happy that yes, at least I'm doing a particular job, so they're happy. And I feel happy that I'm free to take my own decision. So I joined one company, and I was doing job over there. One Sikh friend I met, he is also wearing cap. So I told him that yes, I want to follow this, guide me to how to follow this Sikhism. He started laughing, just laughing and laughing for 1 week, 10 days, 15 days. Then after, my department was changed, and my colleague was Balwinder Kaur, Sikh, Gursikh she is, and Amrit Dari, and she's my sister. And she explained me this concept of Sikhism, Panch Kagar and all. So many things she all the time, 8 hours of job, and we are discussing about Sikhi 2.5 or 3 hours for that. So that was blessings. Then I went to Andheri Gurudwara. I reside nearby Andheri Gurudwara, and I took Amrit. Before that day, Vaisakhi, I called my parents and tell them that I'm following this religion, tomorrow I'm doing Amrit. They didn't know anything, and they just started yelling on me. So they yell a lot, seriously, and so much pressure are there. Why you are changing this religion? Or before that, I was nothing. I was not following any religion, nothing, a lost person. So I tell them that if I don't follow this, if I don't do this, my life is already gone. I did smoke, I did drinking and all. So I told them, yes, I want to follow this. That's the only reason of my life. So I took Amrit. In I don't know how I was interested in martial art, and I did some martial art at tournaments and all. So I played Gatka National Championship also I played, and that's how I got selected in Roadies. Some friend suggested me that yes, there is audition going on. Why don't you try? So I went to Roadies and all. So this is my story, and that's how all people know me. In Roadies audition, I realized, Roadies journey, I realized what Sikhism is all about. So I want to just share one experience about what I feel in Roadies. When peoples, different kind of peoples, some peoples are really bad inside. They are like evil. They can't change. It's their nature. That people are like snake. What they do, whenever they are in pain, whenever they are in trouble, they just bite and split their poison. So that kind of people were there. On the very first episode, they called me fake. So I did nothing, no reaction, nothing. I just keep calm and do what I supposed to, what a Sikh supposed to. I keep calm. They keep abusing me with this fake word. It hurts sometimes. Sometimes all time. It hurts. But I keep calm. Then after they keep abusing me, one person is over there. He told me that I will throw you out of Mumbai. I will throw you out of Sikhi. That much he told me. But I keep calm. And then after I realize what I did. Whenever they are abusing me, I just saw them like a sick people who are in pain. If any person who is in broken heart, if the person who is very in pain, what you can expect from him or her? They just spread pain. They are in, वो बीमार है. So what we should do, with our silence, with our love, with our respect, we just give them a treatment. That is what it's all about. When snakes are in pain, when snakes are in trouble, they bite and they split poison. And they did the same. But after that, they realize that yes, we did wrong. And they say sorry. End of the journey. And within a second, I accept their sorry. Because during my vote out in Roadies, there was a power given to me. There was a twist. And they gave me power that with you can take any of the contestant with you. So it was a power, but I felt like these people are coming from all part of India. Roadies is all about their lifelong dream. So why should I take their dream, their life? No matter, there were 11 vote they against me. Out of them, 11 people voted me out. Out of them, they are the people who abused me, who wrote my name and a fake title, a loser title with that. But I didn't even think about that to take their life and their journey over. So what I did, I said I don't want to use this power. I said that okay, let it be. Sarbat ka bhala. What we learn. what we supposed to do. So I did the same, and I said that no, I don't want to take any contestant out of this. Enjoy your journey, enjoy your life, be happy. That's what I did. So I was talking about their nature. So we should be like a sandalwood tree. When snakes are in pain, trouble, they came to us, they split their poison, and they like लिपट के उनको रिलीफ मिलता है. एक्चुअली दे आर ऑन नॉट अ राइट पाथ. उनको ये टेम्पररी रिलीफ चाहिए बिकॉज उनको पता नहीं है ट्रूथ क्या है, सच्चाई क्या है, पीस क्या है. वो उसी की तलाश में होते हैं और वो ढूंढते रहते हैं, और जो भी पीस में होता है उनको सहन नहीं होता है. वी आर यूनिक, वी आर डिफरेंट, सो दे थिंक लाइक why they are this much pain, this much peaceful, why they are very calm. So they cannot tolerate that. So they did the same. They spread pain, and we should spread love and happiness to them. Some can be changed, some can be remain same, but the best thing we can do, we just keep silence and spread love. This is what I learned about the Sikhi, and this is what I am. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. पाया है साथ मैंने तेरा, पाया है साथ मैंने तेरा, अब जग छूट जाए तो गम नहीं. गाता है दिल मेरा वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु, अब इसको धड़कन की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. बदला है तूने कल के सपनों को कल की हकीकत में ऐसे, बदला है तूने कल के सपनों को कल की हकीकत में ऐसे, कि अब इस हकीकत को पाने में ज़िंदगी बीत जाए तो गम नहीं, ज़िंदगी बीत जाए तो गम नहीं. माना माना कि है टूटी कश्ती मेरी, माना कि है टूटी कश्ती मेरी, मगर इसको डुबाने का समंदर में भी दम नहीं, मगर इसको डुबाने का समंदर में भी दम नहीं. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.
वाहिगुरु वाहे